So today we're testing a coil spring compressor. Shouldn't say testing, we're going to be using this coil spring compressor. Pretty cheap item on eBay. Picked it up for about 80 bucks, something like that. I'm going to be rebuilding technically 2.5 sets of Integra Type R shocks today. I've got 2 JDM sets and a USDM set that has lowering springs. Going to take them all apart, take a look at them, use the best parts for the Type R.
Set number 2.
Next step is to throw all these guys in the parts washer. Parts washer is here, ultrasonic cleaner. I'm going to throw all this stuff in, give it a clean. May use some of the rust away on the springs if need be. I don't see too terribly much rust, but may hit up some of the lighter spots. All right, we've got the rears completely clean. Disassembled obviously the top hats for the front of there, but I decided just to go ahead and focus on the rears and front forks just because I threw them in with the load and parts cleaner. So we'll take a look at the parts, figure out which ones are the best, and put them back together.